The Masked Singer fans are convinced they've worked out Firework is a Love Island star. They took to Twitter after Saturday night's show after her electrifying performance. Eagle-eyed Masked Singer fans were sure it was reality TV star turned West End performer Amber Davies. One wrote, "Firework is defo Amber Davies off Love Island." Another said, "Firework, Amber Davies. #Masked Singerook." A third chimed in, #Masked Singerook Amber Davies for Firework? Feel this sports stuff is stuff they did at school. Reality star who won a gold medal could be her winning the show? Amber shot to fame on Love Island 2017 where she won the show with Kim Setney. Since then she has spread her wings as a star of the West End stage. She earned rave reviews when she joined star-studded lineup for 9 to 5 2 years ago. Viewers were blown away as the star was filmed rehearsing for the stage show after landing the star role by impressing iconic country singer Dolly, 75. The talented star is now preparing to make her burlesque debut in Cabaret All Stars and said, "It'll be fun." The show is at London's Proud Embankment next March. She said of her show preparation, "Alcohol goes out the window and I go completely cold turkey when I'm doing any type of show. It really affects my voice. I just don't have time to ever be hungover."